How to get the shattered gold on the M10 Breacher on your Black Ops 7. Hey everybody and welcome back. If you're looking out how to do so, in today's video we are going to guide you exactly to the method to complete the challenges and unlock it. So let's just get started. So again, go over and go to the section for gunsmith and you need to go to the customize section. And from the customize, you can head over to the camo section, and what you need to do is first of all complete all of the challenges, especially for the military and special, and then you will be unlocking the mastery, inside which we have the shattered gold. So you need to complete up challenges. For that you can hit start with the military camos. So at the very last of the military camo we have the ruby snake. You need to complete one by one and go to the last section for ruby snake and unlock. In order to unlock the ruby snake final military camo, you need to have at least 80 points blank kills with a mid breacher. So you need to do so. You need to push corners, blind rush, or use flanking routes to catch enemies off guard. And once you accumulate 80 points blank kills, your M10 Breacher's military camo set is complete. After completing up the grind, you need to complete the 3 special camo challenges for M10 Breacher. For that, we can start by diamond back. So you need to get a kill without taking any damage, 30 separate with M10 Breacher. And after you do so, you need to go to the Raptor section and complete the challenge for this one as well. For that, you need to get 50 eliminations with M10 Breacher with no attachments equipped. And on mainframe, the third one, we need to get 30 kills while or shortly after sprinting with the M10 Breacher. So you can just go and complete each of those efficiently. You can just go and do so, and once all the 3 are done, your M10 Breacher special camo set is complete. Now, once you get both of your military and special, and once both of them are completed, you will be unlocking the shattered gold, the final challenge. So for that, you can just go over and get 3 kills without dying in a single life, and do that 10 several times. With M10 Breacher in multiplayer, you can just go up and do so and complete it up. Once you complete those 10 3-kill lives, the M10 Breacher unlocks the shattered gold instantly. You can just go up and do so. You can complete it up, and that should unlock the shattered gold on your M10 Breacher, and you can enjoy it. So that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.